Okay, in today's install we've fitted a 350 litre one-man X-tank into this Peugeot Expert. The customer's decided to have our 4-stage filtration system with the auto fill and flush option and the DI saver module. So that will auto flush every hour for 5 minutes, and then it will do an additional flush just to make sure that we're not putting higher TDS value water through the resin vessel. So ultimately the DI saver makes your resin last longer and lowers your running costs. And the customer's also decided to have an electric reel that's mounted on our new raised reel platform. So the customer's still got some space for other equipment underneath, and the reel's now at chest height, so it's easier to operate and guide in the hose. So there's 100 metres of 6mm hose on the reel. The customer's then decided to have the safety speed controller, so that allows him to adjust the speed of the motor. It comes with an electronic brake, comes with an anti-snag feature, and it also comes with a soft start, so it will spool the motor up gradually rather than instantly applying full power. The customer's then had a whole storage tube, and he's opted for a 35-foot carbon fibre pole from us, and also a little mini 4-foot pole just to target the downstairs work or for harder to access areas. So this van actually comes with 2 side doors and a decent payload on it as well. So this just demonstrates how much room would be left. This is obviously the 350 litre tank. What we've also done to the floor of this van is we've sprayed on a protective waterproof anti-slip coating. So in 5 or 10 years time this van is going to be worth more money compared to if they hadn't decided to do the floor. We always recommend to take the ply lining out of the vans, but then to either hand paint on or spray on a protective van floor or lining. Okay, some of the other features on our tank. The tank comes with this eyesight glass, so once the tank is sort of less than halfway, you can actually start to visualise how much water's left in there, and we can just gauge how much more cleaning we can do for that day. We also install just below the pump a shut-off valve, and that allows the customer to swap the pump over without actually emptying the tank. The pump also comes with quick release ports, so it only takes a few minutes to change a pump if and when you need to. In terms of the filtration system, we've got 2 20-inch pre-filters. We've got the main 40-inch RO membrane, so that's going to be doing 90 to 95% of the work. And then just hidden behind here we've got an 11 litre DI resin vessel. That does the last 5 or 10% of the filtering. Inside this protective plate here we've got a 110 amp battery. That's hooked up to a B2B battery charger, so whenever the vehicle's being driven around it's charging up the battery in the back here. And as long as you're doing sort of 20-30 miles a day, 6 hours of cleaning, you should stay on top of the charging. If you do less driving, you may need to bench charge your battery every now and again. So if anybody's interested in purchasing one of these systems from us, our website is a great place to go and research the products, see what different options we offer. We also have a load of videos on our YouTube channel, so you can go and check them out and see other previous customer installs that we've walked around. You can ring us up or send us an email and we can give you a quote.